Hello everybody, my name is Baba Tunde from iCreativity, the website. Today we're going to talk about, or rather I'm going to show you how to create a backup using the HPanel if you're with Hostinger. Before we proceed, if this is your first time on my channel, then hit the subscribe button. And if you do like what you see today, please do not hesitate to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Now let's proceed. The first thing I'll do is you open a browser and we'll type in hostinger.co.uk or hostinger.com or wherever you are. You then hit the login button. This will give you a pop-up and it will request your username and your password. Enter those information and submit the details. Once submitted and accepted successfully, what would happen is it will take you to the HPanel, which is this here that we're looking at. The first thing you want to do is hit on the hosting tab, and in there you go to whichever website that you want to do the backup on. In this case, we can select this one here. You hit the manage. Once you're in the manage section of the dashboard, all you have to then do is go to file on the left hand side, scroll down like I'm doing and hit file. In there you see what says backups. Select that. It will then give you the options of the kind of backups you can have. So you can either restore your website, you can back up your files, you can back up your database, or you can generate a new backup. So if we have a look here, the first one is restore website. If we hit this select, it gives you the option to select the website you want to restore, and you choose the backup date of the restore you want to do. But this is if you're trying to restore your database that you already have. So that's not what we're about to do right now. The next thing you want to do is, or the other thing is, if you want to back up your files first, you hit the files that you want to download. You select the dates that you want to download it. And if you hit next step, it gives you the option to download all the files. Once again, once that's downloaded, it will be stored locally for you to access to do whatever you want to do with. The next thing you probably want to do is hit the database backup. So basically all these are just tools for you to download files that you want. So in this case now, you hit the drop down and select the database you're after. You can show the databases and you can select the date you want to download. You select the date. You can either download it or you can restore it. The other option is generate a new backup. So you want to generate new backup. So what's going to happen is this will start generating the new backup for the way your website is at the minute, and it will download all this. Once the backup is done, you can then download the backup onto your local system. Once you've done that, that is it. Thank you for watching.